थोड़ा लगता है वो तो क्या प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है कुछ नहीं कोई बढ़िया यार बनाओ तो होरी पता नहीं क्यों खानी है उफ। खा लो यार एक बार खा लो दाल के साथ खिला दो बस और क्या दही दाल के साथ होती है ना वो काफी होती करती
Then I just said, why is this like a grammar sentence? And she said, it's just like an
अंडे भैया गरीबों के लिए अंडे ही हैं और क्या
She just replaced sentence with grammar.
दिमाग पढ़ लो मेरा पुराना देखेंगे आज तक कंप्लीट कर देंगे कल से अल्टीमेट स्टार्ट करेगा
Yes!
क्या करेंगे सारे
Yay! Then she doesn't know that I said, is this like an A? Is this like? She doesn't know even how to copy. Like, are you a she a kid? Like, wow. I'm a kid, but I know the sentence, bro. And everyone does mistakes. So I think she was typing so fast. I think she was going somewhere, doing something or something. So she just said serious and comment. Then they just started just saying so like making just making jokes of it. They didn't know that
यार ठंडी हो रही है
it is not final exam. Like they just think like it
मलाई ब्रेड
when
खाती
it's the final exam result and like final exam. They know I'm gonna have to take that. And like I know how people getting so much.
चल वे
And that's
तो ही म्याऊ म्याऊ नहीं सुनने बैठा नहीं आ पा रही बात समझ में फालतू म्याऊ म्याऊ करते रहते हो हाँ तुम सही कह रही हो
think like this is very this is very you know what this is very advanced. She said, why is this? I said, why is this like a thing? She does this like wait.
क्या नहीं गरम हो रहा
I just didn't take. Let me just edit it. Everyone does mistake they did not even catch my things, but they just did. They replaced it with one sentence to grammar, and she did not do 2 question marks, but she did this. And look at this. She also did a look at that. And look here. And look at this. It's like an like. I said like it's. She didn't do it. She did N, but I did it. And she didn't say A. I said A. Look at that. And look at that. Comment. It's just a comment, not only promises. She said it was just a comment, not an exam. Bro. Do you think you're the master of the? I think this person is okay because
नहीं तो पता है नहीं
every kid catch everything, but they don't know how to copy it. Everything. I said final exam results, like right here. This one. A final exam result. And they said and not an exam. Bruh, you're making mistakes too, and if you did not copy right, and if you are trying to start a fight, then I am not and do whatever you want, but my grammar isn't grammar, it is your face like IDK help. Right. Yeah. She is a literal kid, I already know. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, look at that. Only kids like replace. आ रही हूँ. Every kid replace this photo profile PSP with anything, like any photo. They don't know what it is. They don't know. Come on, I was just coming. पानी बॉटल. ठीक है. ये वो भैया ने ले लिया. I think. वो उस वाले कमरे में पानी बॉटल रखी होगी तब पे कह दिया. So look at that. I don't think it was her one. How can I even say it was her dog? I think it wasn't her. But if it is, you cannot just add this last back. Second, you aren't the owner of this. Third, yes. No, यार. मुझे चाहिए.
तुम्हें कुछ नहीं चाहिए. पूरे दिन से उस पे बैठा रहता हूँ मैं.
हाँ?
बैठो. अच्छा खासा डाउनलोड करा था वो आपका भी खेलने के लिए आया.
कौन सा वाला? State of Rage?
State of Rage?
I mean States of Rage.
Street of Rage.
Not street.
Street.
It's street of rage. Rage. Yeah. Person have this. If you
कहाँ है पानी बोतल?
you get the पानी bottle from that.
थोड़ा सा बोलो कि
लगे ना मुझे भी चाहिए इससे हवा.
आ रही है.
अब आ रही है. अब आ रही है.
सच कहूं तो ये और भी ज्यादा मजेदार होगा.